Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Today we are going to talk about slow cut and fast cut and how to do it along with in-depth explanation behind the uses of this technique. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to get all notification about the film editing techniques. So, what is slow cut? If you are using any shot of longer duration, then it is a slow cut. Then what is fast cut? If you are using different footages to develop any action or event, then it is a fast cut. That's it? No, not at all. Few people have drawn a line of 15 seconds. As per them, if the cut is at 15 or more than 15 seconds, then it is known as the slow cut for them. And if it is less than that, then they call it a fast cut. But is it true? No, this is not true. Slow cutting and fast cutting simply means the pace of your sequence. Most of the time, an editor tries to provide variation in every sequence to keep the audience's attention intact. Pacing in any shot depends on different factors like movement in the picture, camera movement, audio track, changing the speed of the footages, etc. But here we are talking about cut. So how frequently are we changing any shot or making it slow or fast? There is no any time limit to make any cut slow cut or a fast cut. It is just about the overall feel from the sequence. If the director has put lot of effort in the art of the film, then there are chances that he might not like to see the rapid cuts, because he wants the audience to see his effort in building the environment. If an editor wants to show the detailing and depth in the film, then he prefers the slow cut. And if he wants to establish any kind of rush in the event, then he will opt for the fast cut, which you might have observed in the action sequences. Let's see some example of slow cut and fast cut from the cinema.
उससे जुड़ी हर एक छोटी छोटी चीजों का ख्याल रखते हुए और पूरी शिद्दत से खुद को उस कला की जरूरत के हिसाब से ढालते हुए, क्यों न कहें इन्हें कलाकार। कलाकार ही क्यों, ये वो रहस्यमयी लोग हैं जो भीड़ से निकलकर बारात के सामने आ जाते हैं, मनोरंजन करते हैं, समा बांधते हैं और फिर महज कुछ घंटों आगे दिख रहे ये लोग भीड़ में कहीं छुप जाते हैं। हैरानी तब होती है जब आप इन्हें उसी पोशाक में कहीं आते या जाते देख लेते हैं।
I hope you have learned something new and useful today. So like and share this video. And if you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we are coming up with all 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description. Till then, bye bye.